Scientists discover enormous water cloud in space. Astronomers have been studying the formation of a distant star and discovered a giant cloud of water in space. The water is like the regular water we have here on Earth, and it is also like heavy water where one of the hydrogen atoms has been replaced by deuterium. This could offer new insights into water for our solar system. Discovery of dense water. The discovery of a water cloud in space is an exciting finding because it sheds light on the origins of water in our solar system. Astronomers have long been interested in understanding where the water on Earth and other planets came from, and this discovery provides the new clue. Formation of water. The presence of both regular water and heavy water in the cloud suggests that it may have formed in a region where there was a mix of hydrogen and deuterium, isotopes of hydrogen with different numbers of neutrons. This mix of isotopes is thought to be a signature of the early solar system, as the sun and planets were forming. New insights on water. Furthermore, the discovery of the water cloud also provides new insights into the processes of star and planet formation. The cloud is located near a young, massive star, and its properties suggest that it was formed as a result of the star's activity. This indicates that stars may play an important role in the creation and distribution of water in the universe. Conclusion. In summary, the discovery of a water cloud in space is significant because it offers new clues about the origins of water in our solar system and the role of stars in the creation and distribution of water in the universe. It also highlights the importance of continued exploration and discovery in astronomy and astrophysics. Do you think this discovery of water will help our understanding of water in our own solar system?